Hi guys, today we are going to make this amazingly beneficial weight loss turmeric spice tea. It is also a detox tea. Whenever you want to make it, you can just take a teaspoon of this powder and add it with your tea leaves and make your tea immediately and have it. Now let's get started on how to make it. In a mortar, take some elaichi, that is cardamom, and some haldi. I have listed all the ingredients in the description box. Some cloves and some ginger powder, that is also called sont in Hindi. Some dalchini, just break it into 2 pieces and put it inside. And now we are going to take some peppercorns, that is black pepper or kali mirch. Also some star anise, 3 to 4 of them will do. And now just grind them into a fine powder and keep it, or as I'm doing it right now, not too fine but just to get the flavor out of them. I'm just crushing them. As I'm going to use the entire powder, now I'm putting all the powder into the jar and I'll be adding some hot water into it. Add some tea, whichever the tea you like. I'm using this black tea, the regular one with long leaves, and add lots of boiling hot water into it and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it infuse all the flavors whichever we have done. Now mix it properly and keep it aside for some more time. And then once it's ready and it's dark in color, sieve it into a cup and add some coconut milk, almond milk, or any milk of your choice and keep it aside. Here I'm adding some jaggery, but you can also add a keto sweetener if you're on keto, and mix it with a dalchini just to enhance the flavor, and enjoy your cup of detox tea and weight loss tea anytime you want. That is it guys for today. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Do like, share and subscribe with your loved ones, and thank you for watching.